And to remove the carb, you've got two nuts here, and then this will just slide out. Mine's just come straight off if we disconnect the throttle linkage. So pull the trigger, disconnect the linkage here, take the carb off. If we had to strip the carb down, sometimes it's not worth doing it if you don't know anything about them. It's just cheaper for you just to buy a new carb and stick a new carb on it.
And how often would you do that?
And I would only do that if there's a total problem with it.
So that's not part of a
It's
normal
not part
service?
of a normal service. I wouldn't be getting involved. If your chainsaw's running all right, there's no need for you to be delving into things that is going to cause you trouble.
So you've cleaned that.
I've cleaned all my bits, I've checked all my pieces. We gave this all a nice clean down, and we're just checking any bits that's needing worn. We're checking the sprocket drive as well, and the brake. We've got the brake function in here as well, so we're just making sure it's nice and clean. It's actually cleaned out, doing what it's doing. You can take this cover off and clean it all thoroughly. Mine just lives like that, and it's quite happy to do its bit.